My name is Omar Mohammed Al Hafian, and here is our project. AeroGuard. AeroGuard is a smart gas detecting system that detects the gas and send a warning, turn off the regulator, and purify the gas all at the same time. As you all can see, the LCD screen shows the gas level wherever it goes to a dangerous level, and the buzzer all the way, and the servo motor turn off the gas regulator all at the same time, where the exhaust fan pushes the harmful gas into a purified chamber that includes water to purify the gas and neutralize it.